It means?
It means that if these fertilizers are used excessively, they will end up polluting the water, because the fertilizers will be washed to the water bodies and the water is polluted, and the plants and the animals in that water will be affected in one way or the other. So, to avoid that, farm chemicals, they should be used controllably. They should not be used excessively. For example, in the case of fertilizers, instead of using fertilizers, farmers are advised to use organic manures, because you know that these organic manures are natural in nature and they don't pollute the environment. So instead of these harmful chemicals, farmers can use alternative means or farm inputs. For example, organic manures. We can also have the use of wood ash in control of pests instead of pesticides, among them. So farm chemicals are supposed to be used controllably, not excessively. Number 7, we have clearing oil spills as soon as they occur. We talked of oil spillage. We talked of oil spillage as one of the causes of water pollution. Oil spillage. In water bodies, for example in oceans and lakes, the tankers, those ships that carry or transport oil, crude oil in the high seas, sometimes they may get accidents and the oil spills. So if this oil spills, then it is supposed to be cleared as soon as it happens. Because if this oil is allowed to stay there, it means it will cover the top of the water. It will not allow oxygen to get into this water. The plants and animals in the water will use all the oxygen, and it will reach a point when these animals and the plants in the water will have no oxygen, so they die, which is very dangerous. So oil spills, they are supposed to be cleared as soon as they occur. Number 8, we now have on the government side heavy fines on industries that release untreated sewage. Heavy fines. If let's say those bodies, those government agencies mandated to take care of environment, for example, NEMA. We have NEMA, the government agency in Kenya mandated to take care of the environment. If they find an industry releasing untreated sewage, then the owners of that industry are supposed to be arrested, charged in a court of law, and heavy fines imposed on them, so that they will serve as a lesson to others who have the same kind of behaviors or tendencies. So, heavy fines on industries that release untreated effluents to water sources. As we finalize, we have our last and very important control measure: educating people on the need to take care of water sources. Everybody is supposed to be educated on the need of taking care of water sources, so that we can take care of our water sources, we will not pollute them, and if everybody knows that water is very important and water should not be polluted, it means we will be taking care of our water sources and will not be polluting it. Now, those 9 are the different ways or the main ways of controlling water pollution. Revise them. Keep on reading them so that you can know them time and again. They are very examinable. Then, as I conclude, we are this. Take note of these points. 1. We are treated sewage. Treated sewage does not pollute the environment or does not pollute water. Treated sewage does not pollute water. It's very important. Examiners like treating pupils with that one. So, thank you and have a good day as you continue staying safe.